I've been giving so much love lately to that car. The wife wants this one to be washed. It's been about 2 weeks. Still looks nice, right? But it's full of dust. So let's get to washing. Alright guys, this soap here I put into my foam can and I put into the bucket. Then I washed all the wheels and I went all the way around the car. And look, it's still foamy, so it's got long-lasting foam. video. If you did, hit that like and subscribe button. Press the notifications bell so you get all the new videos we're putting out. Today, my wife just needed a wash on her car. Needs a little love. It's been about 2 weeks since I washed it. I've been busy playing with the other car and just neglecting her car, so she was like, needs a wash. So anyway, we used the McKee's line and we mixed it up with the Carini. So we started out again with the Carini Collection 392. That's the all-in-one wheel and tire cleaner. Just an excellent tire and wheel cleaner. It gets the browning out, cleans the tires good, spray it onto the metal part of the wheel and scrub away, and they just come out fantastic. I will say that when I spray this, I can smell it, or it stays in the air a little while. So when I spray it, I kind of walk away, let it do its thing and come back, and then no problem with that at all. If you have a mask, you may want to wear a mask. I just seem to inhale it a little bit extra than I normally remember with other products, but it works really good. Once I washed the wheels, I used the SiO2 Ceramic Hydro Blue Pro. This is a stronger, or a ready to use product. It's a spray and rinse. So you rinse the wheel, you wash the wheels, you rinse them, and while they're wet, you spray this on there and it seals them, basically protects them. You'll see instantly once you spray this on, you rinse it off instantly, and beads just start popping up on the wheels. You know, I mean, even if you spray this on the rubber's gonna bead up too. So really good product, quick protection product, and just fun and easy to use. Works really good. You can use this on your paint, on the whole car basically. I don't usually use this on windows, but if you want to try it, go ahead. You may need a little bit of rubbing to get it off the windows, but I don't usually use this on windows. But all the paint and the wheels, chrome, good product there. Tried out the Carini Collection 350. That's their SiO2 ceramic infused car soap. This stuff, when I put it into the hand wash bucket and I foamed it up, it lasted a long time, longer than almost any other soap. Most soaps that I use, the foam inside that bucket just stayed there, didn't diminish and go away. I also put this inside my foam cannon, and I put like 2 ounces and I filled up the whole foam cannon. I used it for a pre-foam, and then I foamed it on the car, let it sit, and I rinsed it off. It really did a nice job, not overly thick. It gets on there, it breaks down, and it kind of runs down nicely at that mix. And you rinse it off and you get all that loose dirt off there. Then I had a little bit extra in the foam cannon. I refoamed the car, went to the wash bucket, and I washed the car and I rinsed it. Just felt really lubricating, and nice cleaning soap there. And you got SiO2 in it, so this car is ceramic coated, so now you got a little bit of topping on there. This car just beads since day one. It's going on almost 2 years with the ceramic coat, and just use little products like that here and there that are infused with SiO2, top it every once in a while, and it just stays good. From there, so now I rinsed the whole car. I used the on-the-go deionizer system. That's a very good deionizer. Plug it into my hose. I rinse that car with it. It's only a rinse, so I've already washed and rinsed once, and deionizer is just an extra rinse real quickly so that it gives me more time so I don't get water spots. I have very hard water. I grabbed a drying towel. I used the Glacier 1100. I used the really big one, okay? And you saw in the video how good that thing dries. I mean, instantly just dries the whole car. You can do 2 or 3 cars with that big towel. Awesome towel, the Glacier 1100 towel. Then finally I grabbed the glass cleaner. This is a really nice glass cleaner, cuts through any of that grime, sprayed it on the towel. I just used one towel, sprayed it, wiped it, flipped the towel over, boom. They were very clean. I do use a waffle weave microfiber towel this time, and it works really good. So this glass cleaner works really nice at cutting in the grime. Didn't leave any streaks at all. Finally, I got the high gloss tire shine. That's the 302. I sprayed that on. This is like a water-based tire shine, so it's very liquidy. And sprayed it on. I wiped it in. It says high shine, but I don't find it really high shine. It just kind of darkens a tire and gives a nice shine. It says you can do multiple coats if you want more shine. I tried 2 coats. I didn't see any real big difference in 1 coat and 2 coat. But very nice and easy product to use. Real quick, spray it on, wipe it in. See you later, let it dry. You're not gonna get any sling from that product, and it does look really nice with just 1 coat. So you guys, if you haven't tried some of the Carini products, try them out from McKee's. Definitely try out these Glacier 1100 drying towels. They have like a small, a medium, and an extra large, and they just work phenomenally. So have a great day, guys. Thanks for watching. Talk to you later.